everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that we have to factorize x squared minus 16x plus 64. I'm going to share with you two methods, okay? So method 1 will be using the formula or the algebraic result of this a minus b bracket square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here I'm going to see how I can rewrite x squared minus 16x plus 64 into the above. What does Mr. Tan mean? Now, 64, I don't write 64 already. I'm going to rewrite 64 as 8 squared. So that I want to see this. Something square. Something square. And because now I know, that means I can rewrite the 2x times 8. Indeed, 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 8 is 16 times x is x. And 8 is my b. So it fits. Therefore, I hope you can see that the red color x and the red color a, the green color b and the green color 8, they are corresponding and matching neatly. And therefore, I could write as such. So this is method 1 by using the special result to factorize it. Okay. Method 2 is the common method that you either use the cross chart or use the multiplication frame method. So Mr. Tan likes to use the cross chart. This requires us to place my x squared here. I'm going to times and my 64 here and my negative 16x here. And my job now is to see what factors of 64 I could utilize or use to get 16. So I usually like to write out all the factors of 64. And out of this, which one can I use to get 16? Yes. So I will have 8 and 8. And because of the negative sign, I will have both as negative, because negative times negative will still give me back my positive 64. So this will be negative 8x, negative 8x, and when I add them up, they do give me back my negative 16x. And so the answer will be equals to x minus 8 times x minus 8. And because they are the same expression in the brackets, you have to write it as such, which is the same answer as this first method. Okay, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.